is up, YouTube? Today we are headed back over to Pierce Lake. We're gonna try ice fishing once again. We're just starting to cool down again right after like almost a week of very mild temperatures. Look at all the turkeys. Gobble gobble. But we're gonna get over there and we're gonna see what we can do. I've located a fish crib and I pretty much just primarily, whenever I've been getting out here, go and fish that directly because the fish are continuously stacked up over there. It's on about a 5 that slowly slopes to about an 8-foot flat. Great muskie location in the springtime. In fact, I've seen muskie flowing through there recently, which we are starting to ponder in how we can go about that and catch those. Maybe might try a bigger jig today, but I only got us the 4-pound test, but we'll see. Stay tuned. We're gonna get there and let's go. So this is the youth kayak with my auger here. I'm gonna tie this rope to this. Coming from my back, and I can see that the thing is right here. The fish crib is literally right here. Can you see that, guys? There's fish everywhere, dude. Everywhere. What is up, YouTube? We are out here. You can see I got my hole set up in front of me with my little camera down there that I'm looking at. We're right above the fish crib. Oh, I just had a bluegill on. Right above the fish crib. I don't have a shanty or anything, so the wind is screaming at me. It's freezing. Yeah, we're gonna keep going. See what we can catch. So far, they seem a little tight-lipped. Alright guys, we're out here. It is cold. Nice crappie here. Let's go. Let's start. That little hook. Little tiny hook. Got it on the popping it. These short strikes on these bluegill are unbelievable. I'm good. I don't know, guys. It's not easy today. Get it turned more that way. But it is not easy today. There we go, guys. There we go. On film, that one came in. They keep coming in and taking it. I cannot get the bluegill today. It is cold, guys. My hands freezing cold. I haven't even opened up a brew. I'm so cold out here. But look at that. That one we got on film. He just came in, scared all those bluegill away, and then we got him. It's 2 crappie, baby. I am not able to hook these bluegills today. I mean, the crappie came in, he missed it like 7-8 times before we got him, so maybe it's the cold weather that moved in. Come on. See that one in the distance coming up pretty hot. Oh, that was a bass, guys. Damn it. I missed that one. I had a bass come by earlier too and try. Damn it. That would have been cool. All right, guys, we are out here. We're the only ones on the lake. It is freezing cold. There is wind just blowing across the lake, nothing shielding it. I don't have a shanty or nothing, so it's pretty brutal. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna call next fish is gonna end it. We already got 2 crappie on, but next fish is gonna seal it. Ice is still cracking quite a bit like it was yesterday. Got something on here. Oh, no way. We got another crappie, guys. I've been trying to get these bluegill, and out of just randomly, these crappies swoop in. Look at that. They just swoop in and inhale the jig, which is awesome. Freezing out here, man. That's what we got so far. Ice is still expanding and cracking a little bit. There we go. There's a bluegill. Finally got a bluegill, guys. These have been inhaling my jig all day, but first time I'm actually able to hook one here. Freezing cold out here, guys. Ooh. Freezing cold. I'm shivering. I don't know. I'm ready to call it any second. Now we're just dropping that bare hook down. Oh, that wind is non-stop. I actually got to be careful dropping my jig down. I have to drop it as close as I can to this side of the hole because otherwise it gets stuck on the fish curd that I found that I've been filming all my ice fishing videos on. Oh man. Yeah, guys, this is a whole new ball game out here. Chicago River winter fishing. You get spoiled. That's what I've done my entire life. Out here, you're in the bare elements, guys. There's no sloping bank to keep you out of the wind, nothing to shield the wind, just straight right on your face. Oh, there's one. There's one, guys. Largemouth. Largemouth. Yeah. That's how it's done out here, guys. I am freezing cold. I've been sticking it out longer than I should have. Little tiny jig head, guys. Little tiny jig head, just the hook. Just the hook. Freezing cold out here. Freezing cold. Guys, that's how it's done out here in the freezing cold on the ice. Let's go. Going in for the release. Hopefully we can catch this. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. That was a nice bass. We missed a few, so I'm glad we were able to finish it off with that. Freezing my butt off. Thank you guys for watching. What GeoFishing brings to you is every week of every month of every year. Peace!